All right, welcome back to the WCBI Viewer's Choice Winner Reveal. From making those important milestones to helping you navigate when you should be worried about fever and tummy aches. When it comes to your children, you want to make sure they have the very best care. The Children's Health Center is the Viewer's Choice winner for Best Pediatric Clinic. Calvin French is a nurse practitioner at the clinic. Heather Szakel is the office manager, and they're both joining us this morning. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Great to have both of you here. So, Heather, you were just telling me the clinic just celebrated 40 years.
We did. This March celebrated 40 years. Dr. Ski is above and beyond.
He is, and every patient that's been through there, every parent that's been through there loves Dr. Ski.
Yes.
And he's still there practicing, right?
He is, every day, round the clock. He'd even practice on the weekends if he could.
Keep whipping you in shape, right, Calvin?
He does. I mean, great mentor. That's what I tell everybody. He's
Absolutely.
a great mentor with all those years of experience.
Let's sort of talk about, Heather, if you will, because you manage the office. Talk about just the mission of what you do there at the clinic, to be in business for 40 years and to have seen literally thousands of children during that time. You have to have a mission of how you want to operate.
Yes, our mission is just to make sure that our children's needs are met to the best of our abilities. We love each and every one of our babies that walk in that door. You know, we reach out, we make sure that our community is served, the needs of our children are met. We have our subclinics that have specialties that we provide for the services. So we make sure that we accommodate from A to Z for all of our babies.
All of the practitioners in there have seen children go from like that 2-week first visit all the way up to, you said you're now seeing them up to what age, Calvin?
26.
Okay.
And it's amazing how fast these children grow.
They grow so fast.
Parents will bring them in and, they're carrying them and everything swaddled and everything. The next thing you know, I mean, some of them I'm looking up to, and then, they grow up so fast. And that's why I tell parents, enjoy those years, because before you know it, the time is gone.
It is. That's exactly right. You see patients that are coming in for things, as I mentioned, coming in as something as small as, elevated fever, which, worries parents, to little tummy aches. But you also, unfortunately, have to see patients sometimes that have more serious problems going on, right?
Oh, yeah. So, a lot of times we will, patients have went to the emergency room and they following up with us, and sometimes we, seizures or, even sometimes real bad, what we call traumatic brain injury that we have to follow up, and then, we have that collaboration of care with other specialties that actually help us out. But, we're just part of that, especially being pediatrics and everything like that. We take care of most of the basic stuff, but yet it's still, you need that collaboration with all these other specialties to help you out.
I'll brush on a topic you and I have talked about on this show before, and that is this new weight management that you're doing with your pediatric patients. How's that going?
It's going great, and it's getting to the point where it's, I'm getting more patients, and the clinic is getting off, and it is, it's doing really well. And, it's getting to such a need that, me and Heather was just talking that we may even have to do another day at the clinic to facilitate, to make sure we get our patients in on time. Because that's the time is the essence of the part, to get the early onset, of treatment and
starting that conversation.
Management of obesity is very important, especially before we get to that, discussion about type 2 diabetes and other different issues.
Heather, I know the clinic stays busy. You take appointments, but obviously you do walk in. So what's your advice to parents who, they're having a situation? Should they call the office? Should they check their online portal? What's the best way?
Really, any method is the best way. I am a mother, and I've had those nights of my child being sick, and instead of waiting until we open the phone lines at 7 a.m., always visit our portal. You can go to thechildren'shealthcenter.com. You can access our online scheduling feature there. We do have appointments available, and you can book it right then. So if we have a 7 o'clock slot available, grab it. Be at that clinic 7 o'clock, ready to get your baby seen.
All right. Well, being accessible is important to parents for sure. That's why you're the best at what you do. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right. Coming up, we're revealing more of our Viewers' Choice winners. We'll be right back.